All right, eighth graders, welcome to Wednesday. You got one more day this week, one more science assignment. You're this close. You've almost made it to a 5-day weekend. So here we go. Let's get into it. So on Schoology, elements and compounds, same article we opened up yesterday. We read through it. We got the hard stuff done. If you were gone or missed yesterday, right, what you're going to want to do is go through and read this. Reminder, our assignment from yesterday was to define all of the bold words that you see in black, not green, in black. So if you missed yesterday, that was our assignment from yesterday, that and reading it through. What we're going to do today is we're going to focus more specifically on the periodic table of elements that you see right here. Now that kind of gives you an idea of what it looks like. It has different elements, hydrogen, carbon, sodium, some of the stuff you've heard, some of the, like titanium, some of the stuff are like rubidium, like maybe you haven't heard of before. But that's going to change today. So first, real quick, I'm going to highlight the summary from yesterday because we read the whole article. So now we're just going to kind of have a quick review before we go to our assignment today. Summary: elements are substances that cannot be broken down into simpler substances with different properties. So in other words, if I took apart this water bottle or this minion cup or this actual minion, right? I might find different elements in here. However, once I get to the elements such as carbon, such as hydrogen, I wouldn't be able to break it down any more than that. Elements have been organized by their properties to form the periodic table. That is what you see right here, and that's what you'll see in your website that I'll provide for you in a little bit as well. Two or more atoms can combine to form a molecule. Molecules consisting of more than one element are called compounds. Reactants can combine through chemical reactions to form products. So that is kind of what we recapped in during the reading yesterday. Again, next week I will explain that better. We'll slow it way down. But our assignment today are the questions. So we have explore more. You have questions 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have review 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have a total of 8 questions, which is your assignment today. The first one: what is the atomic number of nitrogen? When and where can it be identified? What state of matter does nitrogen exist at room temperature? Some of these you're going to find in the article. Some of these you might be better off searching up on your own, using Safari, using Google. I will say that this periodic table website that you see right here, I've already opened it. It looks like this. Is going to be extremely helpful. So some of them ask you for atomic number, the symbol, atomic mass. So if I went to carbon over here, now if I just click on that, it's going to open. It's going to tell me everything I need to know about carbon, even some things I don't want to know about carbon. So the name is carbon, the symbol C, atomic number 6, atomic mass is 12.011, all kinds of information. Right? I could go back and I could do the same thing with rubidium, Rb. Same thing, it tells me the name, the symbol, the atomic number, the atomic mass, everything I do and don't want to know about it. So that is going to be found again at this website right here. It says periodic table at this website. You have a sample one up here, but this one doesn't really give you much info. This website is going to lead you to a great one. So that's your assignment for today. It's pretty simple. You have 8 questions. Again, the reading is going to help you. Doing some research is going to help you. When it comes time to submit this, we are going to go back to Schoology. Now, you already submitted something for elements and compounds yesterday when you defined your words. You are going to submit this in the same Dropbox, elements and compounds. So what that's going to show up for me when I grade it is revision 1 that you submitted yesterday and revision 2 that you are submitting today. So when you go ahead and you guys open this up in the Notability, when you've got your 4 questions, and again, if you cannot open this directly into Notability, either copy and paste the questions or you could screenshot it. Both of those will work. You are going to submit this back in the Schoology. What Dropbox do you submit it to? Elements and compounds, the same Dropbox you submitted yesterday's assignment in. Again, for me, that'll show up revision 1 and revision 2. So between defining the bold words yesterday and answering those 8 questions today, those are your 2 assignments. Once you are done with those, you guys are free for your 5-day weekend, and soon those will be in the gradebook. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you guys have a great weekend.